Hi guys, now as promised, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through this question, okay, this sneaky last question. So, Carol counts the matches in 10 boxes, okay, and she works out that the mean number of matches in a box is 51. So the average number in a box is 51 and there are 10 boxes. And then underneath it said, here are the results for 9 boxes. So here are the amount of matches in 9 boxes. So you can see here, 14 in 3 boxes, there are 49 matches. In 2 boxes, there are 50 matches. In 3 boxes, sorry, in 1 box there's 51. In 1 box there's 52. There's no boxes so far that's got 53 matches in it. And then lastly, there are 2 boxes that have got 54 matches in it. So that's all of the matches for 9 boxes. Now, we know that the mean is 51, and this is exactly like some of the work that we've been doing at the beginning of each lesson, where we know the mean, but we don't know the total number, and that's why I've been doing it. Okay, so we know that something divided by 10 is going to equal 51. Okay, so I'm going to use my inverse and I'm going to reverse it. So something divided by 10 is 51, so 51 times 10 means that the answer is 510. So I know altogether there are 510 matches. So if I know there are 510 matches, it's telling me how much is in the 10th box. Over here it tells me how much is in 9 boxes, but I need to know what's in the 10th box. So what you do is you add all of these up. So I've got 3 lots of 49, 2 lots of 50, 1 lot of 51, 1 lot of 52, 2 lots of 54, and I cheated. I did it on a calculator, and I got the answer 458. Okay, so 458, and there are 510. You could have done 510, take away 408, or you could have found the difference, okay? But the difference is going to be how many matches there are in the 10th box. And I'm sure you've worked it out already. The difference is 52. So how many matches are there in the 10th box? There are 52. Because 458 plus 52 equals 510. And I know there are 510 matches because I knew the mean was 51 and it had been divided by 10 to find the mean. Okay, hope that makes sense, and well done everybody for giving that a really good go.